What's up guys, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to write a very simple algorithm which is called as a bubble sort algorithm. So firstly we have to create an array. It's maybe an integer array or a long array, it doesn't matter. We can create it from a random number. After that we need to write a function. So we write public static void, call it bubble sort, and pass here our array. Nice. For this task, we need to write a two loop. First loop is an outer loop and second is an inner loop. So let's do it. For outer loop, we write something like this. For int I is equals to 0, I less than array dot length I plus plus. For second inner loop, we write for int j is equals also to 0, but j less than array dot length minus I minus 1. Cool. And j plus plus. So here we have to write a condition. If previous elements is greater than next elements, so we need to swap them. Let's write it. So if array I is greater than array, if array j, if array j is greater than array j plus 1, then we swap them. So we need to create a new variable, is a temporary variable, which is equal to array j. But array j is equal to array j plus 1, and array j plus 1 is equals to our temporary variable. Nice. So let's call this method in main methods and pass here our array, and after that we can write out and print our array. So arrays to string array. Let's do it. And you can see that our array is sorted in ascending order. So thank you for your attention guys. Subscribe on my channel, leave your comments, and see you later.